Hello friends. So this problem is about a block hitting a ball. So this figure shows two masses. This is mass A and mass is given. This is 2 kg and this is block of mass 0.5 kg. This is block B. These two blocks are connected through a string and that passes over a pulley. The length of the pulley from this side of the wall is 2 meter and block A is horizontally 1 meter away from this wall. Now this mass A is heavy mass. So what will happen? This will fall down and this will move up. So after a certain point of time, what will happen? This mass A will reach here. So mass A will reach here and mass B will go up. So finally we'll have something of this kind of situation. So at this point of time, you have to find what is the velocity of block B and what is the velocity of block A. So this you have to find. So let us read this problem. So this problem says, figure shows a system at rest, held at rest. Masses of block A and B are 0.2 and 0.5 kg respectively. If the system is released, find what is the speed of block A with which it will hit the wall. So you have to find velocity of block A. What are the things that is given? So you have been given mass of A, that is 2 kg, mass of B, that is 0.5 kg, and distances are also given. What you have to find? You have to find velocity of block A and velocity of block B. Now how will you do this problem? So let us first see the deformed shape. So the deformed shape will look something like this. So what is happening here? This mass is falling and this will fall in a radius of 1 meter and this is going to hit the wall somewhere here. Once it hits the wall, it will have some velocity. Let's call this velocity is v. So this velocity is v. And this height, that is this height is same. So this distance will be 1 meter. So this distance is 1 meter. So this distance is here. Now this is given initially, this total distance is 2 meter. If you remember, this is given, this distance is 2 meter. So what will be this distance? So this distance will be root 5 meter. Now by how much distance this block B has basically gone up? So initial position of block B was here. Now it has moved up. With how much distance it has moved? So initial length of a string this side is 2 meter. But now new length is root 5 plus 1 meter. So basically this block has moved up with a distance of root 5 plus 1 minus 2. This is root 5 minus 1 meter. Now let us say this is moving up with velocity v1. So what are the unknown we have? So in this problem we have unknown v1 and another unknown is v. So how will you solve this problem? You need to have two equations. One equation you can write using energy conservation. So you can write energy conservation. So first equation you can write from energy conservation and another equation you can write using relation in velocity. So you have to find some kind of relation between v1 and v. v1 and v. So this is v1, let's say. So you have to find relation between v1 and v. So let us pause this video and solve the problem using these two equations. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So let's say this angle is theta. If this angle is theta, then let's say this side, this angle will also theta. So what is the component of velocity in this direction? So in this direction will be V cos theta, which is basically same as by which this string is getting pulled is same as this V1. So now I have a relationship. What is relationship? V1 is equals to V cos theta. Now we can also write what is cos theta in this case. You see in this triangle, cos theta will be this length, and this length is how much? This length is 2 meter and divided by this length, that is root 5 meter. So 2 meter divided by root 5 meter. So cos theta will be, so I can write here, cos theta is nothing but 2 divided by root 5. Now let us apply energy conservation, that is loss in potential energy. Loss in potential energy is equals to gain in kinetic energy. So how much is the loss in potential energy? This mass, that is block A has fallen through a distance of 1 meter. So we can write loss is MAG times 1 unit. It has fallen through 1 meter, but this block has gone up. So basically there is a, this is not loss, this is gain, but I am writing loss as a positive, so gain will be negative. So MB times Z, and height in this case is root 5 minus 1. So this is loss in potential energy. Gain in kinetic energy is half MA, and velocity of A is V square, B and then take the square, and half MB, velocity of B is simply V cos theta. So basically I have used this in this expression. So now let us plug the value of masses. Mass is heavy, that is 2 kg. So 2 times Z, and this is minus 0.5 times Z, root 5 minus 1, and this is half time mass A is 2 kg, B square plus mass B is 0.5 kg, and V square, and cos theta is how much? Cos theta is 2 by root 5, so this will become cos square theta will be 4 by 5. So here you can say, so this is 2z minus 0.5, so this will be z by 2, root 5 minus 1, and this is equals to v square plus, this gets cancelled out, and then in that case this is 1 by 4 gets cancelled out, so you will have v square by 5, so this is 6v square by 5. So from here you can find v square is nothing but 5 by 6, and then this side you will have 2z minus z by 2 root 5 minus 1. So if you want you can take g outside, so v square will be 5z by 6, and this will be 2 minus root 5 by 2 minus minus plus 1 by 2. So v square will be, so we can say v square is nothing but 5z by 12, 5 minus root 5. And then b will be a square root of this term. So if you solve this, this will turn out to be 3.4 meter per second. So now question for you. Now in this case, the velocity of block A that came is 3.4 meter per second. So this block is basically having a velocity of 3.4 meter per second. Now what are the assumptions that I have made in this problem? One assumption, maybe you can say there is no loss of energy when this is colliding. And this length I have assumed this length is 1 meter. So these are the assumptions. Similarly, what other assumption that you can think of in this problem? So let us comment in the comment box. Let us write in the comment box about the different kinds of assumption that has been made in this problem. And this concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, please share with your friends and do not forget to like this video, and you can subscribe my channel also. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.